So hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll talk get car insurance quotes info on the most important things to consider when comparing police. This website name of policeplanner.com. So it called be very star survey today to get automobile insurance coverage quotes on the line. The half that it is not straightforward is definitely uh, you clicking the quotes and writing out which one gives the cares of production. You must want at an expensive value in order to start. To start, you may want to fill out a number of percentage and hit the submission button. The kinds of particulars you may be attributed or 2% range from one website to the subject experiment advocate to examine no less than 3 gives earlier than making your remaining determining determination. Also assessment your present coverage. It might very nicely be the most stable choice for you. If you need to add anyone else to your coverage compared to a youngster or planner partner, then be cartoon and edit their percentages nicely when recruiting quotes. What type of production do you want? Most states require drivers have some form of auto insurance coverage. Find out what you state manual institute or even in case you you already know, double test to make sure that nothing has nothing has modified since the final time you bought an auto insurance coverage. Okay, thanks for watching.